Hey guys, this is Danny over at Sullivan's. I wanted to talk to you guys a minute about these articles that you keep seeing on the internet about air conditioning systems that have black death. So we've had 3 vehicles come in this month that all had new compressor, new dryer, new condenser, new lines, new expansion valves. The pressures and temperatures were reading correctly on the gauge, but they were blowing hot air. And the reason for that is because the Freon cannot transfer cold in the evaporator. And what's behind that is the original compressor failure. So what I've got here is a Ford AC compressor. And on the original failure, you can see that the piston rings are Teflon. This black material goes throughout the system. Even though you can flush these systems out, they get trapped inside the evaporator, similar to a bed liner coating. So now the evaporator cannot transfer the energy efficiently, and it won't make cold air. When you get into one of these systems and the desiccant bag is black, that should be your first signal that there is trouble in this system. So when we got the evaporator out of this vehicle, you can see the oil stains on there where it was also leaking. It was also black inside, but then it had this issue, so air couldn't even flow through it. This vehicle was doomed. There's no way it could blow cold air with it being plugged up inside and plugged up on the outside. So when you have a difficult air conditioning problem that you need solved, come on up here to Sullivan's and let us take care of it for you. This is a new unit right here. This is what they're supposed to look like. This is where all the magic happens. This is how you get ice cold air out of an air conditioner. So when a good job matters and quality counts, come on by and see us at Sullivan's Advanced Paint and Body and Sullivan's Truck and Auto Repair Centers. It's repairs you can depend on and service you can trust.